Good morning, my dear student. Myself, Shalini ma'am. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Today's thought of the day. Speak 5 lines to yourself every morning. 1. I am the best. 2. I can do it. 3. I am a winner. 4. God is always with me. 5. Today is my day. Children, do you like pet animals? Yes, most of us we like pet animals such as dog, cat, parrot and so on. In our today's lesson, the speaker is having a bird. Can you guess what is that bird? Exactly right. It is a parrot. Parrot is having a unique characteristics. It copies human voices. So, today our lesson name is The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. So, listen carefully, student. I am going to tell this lesson in the way of story. The speaker was in Missouri along with his grandfather, grandmother and his aunt. His aunt name was Ruby. Aunt Ruby, she bought a parrot from a bird catcher. When she bought, so all they accepted that this parrot should talk like other parrots. But this parrot refused to talk. He was unable to talk. Aunt Ruby, she used to go in front of the cage and tried to teach him some words. But the parrot did not like her at all. So daily he got tired of Aunt Ruby. So once what he did, when Aunt Ruby came near the cage, he moved forward and pushed Aunt Ruby's spectacles off her nose. These make Aunt Ruby very angry and she called him, "You are useless, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance." She decided she will not go in front of the cage. Now the speaker got the chance to go in front of the cage to feed the parrot daily. Speaker used to take green chilies, pieces of papaya and ripe tomatoes and to give to the parrot. The parrot was quite happy to have all these kinds of food items. One afternoon, what happened? When the speaker went in front of the cage, by mistake, he left the cage door open. And within a second, the bird flew away from the cage. When everyone came to know about this, they were very sad and they were unhappy, and especially Aunt Ruby because she bought that parrot. Now they were thinking they will buy another parrot. But Aunt Ruby, she thought that she will not take that. And everyone was thinking that they will never see the parrot again. But after few days, what they saw? The parrot was back again to their house. When the speaker saw the parrot again he was very happy. But when Aunt Ruby came outside the house to see the parrot, and the parrot saw the Aunt Ruby, he shouting, "You are useless, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance." When Aunt Ruby heard these words from the parrot in front of everyone, and she was very angry, and she went inside. The parrot became a regular visitor to their house. The parrot had learned to talk after all. Children, I will read all the sentences, but I will not tell you answer. You think and write the answer yourself. First is fill in the blanks. Number 1. Grandmother and grandfather did not want a dash as a pet. Number 2. One day he lunged forward and pushed my aunt's dash off her nose. Number 3. Quickly the parrot flew to the nearest dash. Number 4. The parrot became a regular dash to our garden. Now children, question number 2 is true or not true. Just you think and write the answer. Number 1. The parrot could not talk. Number 2. Grandmother and grandfather did not want a cage bird as a pet. Number 3. The parrot liked the boy, the writer. 4. Aunt Ruby turned ruby red because of what the parrot said. Now children, question number 3. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. When I was growing up in the blank, Kolkata, Chennai, Mussoorie. Number 2. I also gave him slices of apple, mango, banana. Number 3. Grandfather came to the dash, veranda, balcony, parking. Thank you. Have a nice day.